Alright, welcome back to Make It Mental, everybody. There is a brief look at my completed speaker box. The one you see there on the center is the one we're going to demo first. This is one you would find in your local Walmart, Target, Kmart, etc. Price point is around $12. And since this tablet here is very old, there is actually no pause button for recording, so everything is going to be live. So we're going to do this live. Whatever the sound is, it is. And then we'll do the Dayton audio last. So let's begin.
All the way from the temples of Teotihuacan, Mexico, the mystical Alexis von Craven on the drums.
Okay, I think you get the point on that one. There's actually no point in going on any further on that one. We'll turn this one off.
Powering off.
Okay. We'll skip to the JBL. Maybe I didn't push it down far enough. Got 3 bars there, that should be good. So there's the JBL. It should connect automatically. There it is. And we shall play. We'll rewind it. How the hell did that get there? We'll go back. You get the idea there. We'll turn this one off. This is roughly $90 plus tax. Now what you're about to hear is the Dayton audio Bluetooth speaker kit, which is roughly $130. Let's turn this one on. See if I can go through memory here. Where's the switch? How the hell is it? There it is. Well, unplug the power cord. Move that to the side. I don't know if it's automatically connected or not. We'll see here. was going to ban that video or not, because I simply streamed it live, or live to you guys. We'll see what happens. And sorry, the video quality is not that great. I am recording off a tablet that is almost 10 years old that does not have a pause button. My pause button in previous videos has normally been my video editing tool. So it is what it is. It turned out pretty nice, and I promise you it sounds extraordinary. When you're comparing the price point of that little JBL for, let's just say, $90 plus tax, and then the Dayton Audio $130 plus tax, there is no comparison. I promise you that the Dayton Audio has got it this beat hands down. Hands down. Don't waste your time with this or anything that size. You know, it fits in the palm of my hand. It's really nice for certain things. You know, like I use it at lunchtime to listen to music and YouTube and whatever else while I'm eating lunch at work. Very nice, convenient package. Maybe great for backpacking. This one you're going to want to use for if you have a more stationary place, like your work environment. Maybe you got your computer to monitor up there on top, or maybe you got a hobby room like I do, or who knows what else, right? This is not practical to take outside. It weighs probably about 12, 13 pounds with everything in it. And it probably doesn't weigh this much with the MDF, but I built mine out of 3/4 inch solid wood to specifically hold my phone right there, which is sitting at approximately a 30-degree angle. You will have to adjust your angle if you want to build a box like that to your specific needs. And I stuck the tweeters off to the side. Sorry, this camera kind of sucks ass on this tablet, but that's the way it is. There's no pause button, so everything is live, or technically unedited. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you can discern the difference between a good Bluetooth and a not so good Bluetooth, and a absolutely terrible Bluetooth. I was going to use my 5.1, but I'm having problems with my remote control. It's not receiving any signals for some odd reason, despite charging the battery. So I don't know what the fuck has happened there. It has worked perfectly all the way up until this day. So what can go wrong will go wrong, and that's how it always works for me anyway. Hope you all have a nice day. Hope you all enjoyed this build in this short series. Hope you get inspired to build one of your own or something like it. You know, take your time, be creative, think outside the box, and solve some unique problems.